Do you know the 7 continents that make up the world we live in? Join me, let's get to know our 7 continents, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. A continent is a massive area of land separated from others by water or other natural features. There are 7 continents on Earth. Each continent has a wide range of landscapes, weather, plant, and animal life. Asia is the largest and most populated continent. Africa is the world's 2nd largest continent. North America is the 3rd largest of the continents. South America is Earth's 4th largest continent. Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent. Europe is the 2nd smallest of the world's continents. Australia is one of the largest countries in the world, but it is also the smallest continent. Which continent and country do you come from? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content.